Guys, see what I bought on my way coming back from appointment, guys. Just take a look. This is a kilo. I just told her to give me a kilo. She gave me a kilo. And it is €4.50. Oh my gosh. I will be using it to cook ogbono. I will be using it to cook. You know, I used to buy the other side, but I saw this one to buy it today. Very fresh. Very, very fresh. See it. See it. What do we call this one in Africa? Asikiabi? No. Utu. Which one? You get the name they call it. This one is asikia. Yes, it's asikia. Oh my gosh. This is €4.50. A kilo. This is a kilo, guys. I bought a kilo of it. I'll be cutting it and we'll be using it to cook ogbono. So I'll be taking the fish that we use also. I'm using these 2 fish for ogbono. No, let me take one. Take this one, I will mix it. Take 2 of these. Yeah. Take 3 of here. And take the bonga. I'll take 2 bonga. I get the broken bonga before. I'll take the broken bonga on that. And this one, this is what I'll be using for this ogbono. So, no, maka, see, I will take this sweet fish. It's because of this fish I want to make ogbono today. Because I want to feel the taste. So this is what I will be using for the ogbono. I will also add crayfish and bonga to it, guys. And this one also we are using. Let me go and soak it now. I will take some inside. This is a tico. Don't need much. This is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I take 8 pieces. I will soak it with hot water, guys. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video. See you. Strain it, guys. We'll just cut it first so that the water will not too much. Do the work because we are going to cook now. This is how we cut it. When you are eating, oh my God, when you are eating the soup with swallow, you will be picking utu. What is it? What is the name of this thing in English? Because mushroom. This one mushroom. Everyone it has different type. I don't know the one. Oh my God, English will not buy me. This is mushroom. Mushroom has different type. This type, I love it. I love it when you use it to prepare a goosey ogbono. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If you are eating this thing, you know what I'm talking about. And if you grow in the village, you will know what I'm talking about. Many of us don't even know what is this called. Many of us don't know this at all. If you grow for village, oh my God, you enjoy that type of village. They go bush, go they find this thing. They go bush, go they find even water leaf. That time will go bush, go find water leaf. Go bush, go find uziza leaf because we want cook am. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you go just jam uziza leaf and you go pluck everywhere. You go come as come they dash people. Maybe another time you go there where you for pack again before you know it, everything don't finish. They don't pluck and finish. That's small one they come out under. So you have to wait till they grow again. If people don't know that place, if you not quick go, they don't pluck and finish. So I'll be washing it to cook the ogbono. Not hard. Everything don't be ready. If you don't arrange everything, wash everything ready. Cooking is not hard. I know that. My husband say you want to dry meat. No drying of meat. Guys, share this video. So it is done. I'll be keeping it. And everywhere just scatter for this kitchen. Remove it there. Okay, burger I want to use. Sorry, the one I keep before. Let me remove it. I don't know why those children they laugh like that. Okay, not too much. But things when I buy, I don't fool everywhere. I'll take a look at my kitchen. The thing when I'm buying, is this one. I never arrange. I bought some for Africa market. I bought some for supermarket. And this is what we have. Bought this today. Guys, share this video. Love it all. Come and enjoy with wife material.